In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily translate a message on Messages application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app, then enter a conversation, then search for a message you would like to translate, then long press on it, and that's where we can easily find Translate feature. If we tap on it, we'll be able to translate the text to any language. Now the text was automatically translated to Italian. However, we can easily change the translate language. To do that, tap right here where it says Italian, and then we can select any language from that list. Let it be English US. And now it is showing here the translation in the language we have selected. Also in here we can tap at that play button to have this text read to us.
Payment of interest on the deposit 1738.36 rub.
And also we can tap where it says copy translation to copy that translation text to the clipboard. After that we can save this text, let's say to Notes app. We can just create new note, and then we can paste that translation here. And also in the same way we can send it via, let's say, some messenger app. I'm gonna use WhatsApp just to demonstrate you. Once you have entered some conversation, you can easily paste that translation here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.